homemade ramen noodle soup. Originally published on December 25th, 2019, spoken word added in December 2021. In my younger years, I knew nothing about nutrition and the foundation it creates. I willingly chose to infuse my being with processed convenience foods that I would define these days as unhealthy. Packaged chicken flavor ramen noodle soup, microwavable macaroni and cheese, Oreos and Lucky Charms were among my favorites and surely my staples. I can't take back my past and honestly would not if given the option. My past makes me more real and approachable. I've interacted with individuals who were raised on organic, farm fresh foods, from scratch, home cooked meals that were infused with lots and lots of love from every unfathomable angle. These individuals obtained similar degrees in the field of food and nutrition. When they started their adventures interacting with the community post-degree, they ran into difficulties. Their seemingly flawless past, though amazing, was difficult for the community to relate to and vice versa. I have a background in both unhealthy and healthy eating. I truly understand the struggles at both ends of the spectrum. To everybody's surprise, including my own, I have overcome the hardship associated with transitioning through the stages of change. I now sit comfortably in the termination stage with no desire to return to my past unhealthy behaviors. I do, however, feel it's important to never forget where we come from. As a result, I really enjoy taking some of my old unhealthy classics and recreating them in the healthiest way possible. I surely can't take all the credit for this one. The following recipe was deeply inspired by... You'll have to visit the Insight Room at the guest bungalow to learn who. Personal chef turned blogger. One of my favorite recipes is now yours. Homemade ramen noodle soup. There are pictures all throughout, just like normal. Step 1, gather essentials. Step 2, Step 3, disclosure. For heart health related reasons, it's important not to exceed my recommended serving listed above for the mushroom broth and the coconut aminos. Broths and aminos on average are higher in sodium levels and intake should be restricted as a result. Step 4, Step 5, Step 6, assemble masterpiece. Step 7, enjoy. I humbly receive, let's eat. Thanks for the food. Have you, or are you currently obsessed with the 20 to 35 cent packages of ramen noodles? Do you think your one and only temple might enjoy the highest quality ramen experience possible? If so, I hope you enjoy my recipe. Did this expression add value to your life? Consider donating to support and buying a symbolic cup of coffee. Hyperlink. Thank you in advance for your contribution and generosity. Peace, love, and everlasting protection. Namaste. I'm Maggie Feckety, nutritionist, experienced registered yoga teacher, certified health coach, and board certified holistic health practitioner. If you'd like to learn more about my background and offerings, there are 2 additional links for you here. Bye for now. Au revoir.
For the full 9-minute expression, which includes the entire recipe, visit the Insight Room at theguestbungalow.com.